Hey, it's Weston again. Today we're talking about the G major scale. Let's dive right into it. G major is a major scale with 7 notes, just like the C major scale, except now we're going to use one black key when we play this scale. The black key we're going to use is F sharp. This is another one of the most common keys and scales to learn. Let me break down what both hands are doing. Starting with our right hand, we'll begin with our thumb on G, and we will play the first 3 notes of the scale. After our middle finger plays B, we are going to pass our thumb under to C, and then play the rest of the notes in the scale. Don't forget we have a black key here, an F sharp, instead of an F natural in this scale. On your way back down, it is the reverse fingering as on the way up. When we get to the C, we pass our middle finger over to finish the scale. Our left hand, we're going to start on our pinky on G and play all 5 fingers first. After we get to the D with our thumb, we will pass our middle finger over to play the rest of the scale. On the way down, we pass our thumb under after we play E with our middle finger. You'll want to practice both of those hands separately for a while, and then practice playing the scale with both hands at the same time. The challenge there is that we pass our thumb under on different notes with each hand, so you'll want to practice really slowly. The sheet music on my website has all of the fingerings written in for you. So just a quick reminder, on both hands, thumb is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.